So far in this series, we focused on pollinators as a group, but bees, butterflies, hummingbirds, and others help plants reproduce in very different ways, and often for very different plants. In this episode, we'll talk about what sets these animals apart to help you pick the plants that appeal to the pollinators you wish to attract. Let's start at the beginning. Some insect larvae rely on leaves, stems, and other plant parts for food, but they can be picky eaters. Monarch butterflies, for example, will only eat leaves from milkweed species as they grow into adulthood. Once they emerge from their chrysalises, butterflies turn their sights to flat clustered flowers with landing pads, such as goldenrods and asters. Their long tongues allow them to feast on nectar out of reach from other pollinators, which is why you'll often see them foraging around wild bergamot. Strong vision also leads them to plants with brightly colored red, yellow, purple, pink, and orange flowers. Bees, on the other hand, favor sweet-smelling tubular flowers with blue or yellow petals. They're particularly drawn to plants with nectar guides, low ultraviolet reflectance near the center of each petal. These guides are invisible to us, but act as a beacon for bees to help them quickly locate the flower's nectar-filled center. Plants with nectar guides include black-eyed Susan or Rudbeckia species and Coreopsis. Hummingbirds also prefer tubular flowers, but their larger size demands plants with strong supports and recurved petals that make it easy to reach deep into the flower with their long bills. Their favorite flowers will also have funnels or cups filled with nectar and red, yellow, or orange petals. If you'd like to see more hummingbirds in your garden, plant cardinal flower and royal catchfly species. Pollination doesn't stop at night. That's when moths and bats take over, choosing clustered plants with white or dull colors and landing platforms. Morning glory, tobacco, and yucca are all great plants for gardeners who want to attract nighttime pollinators. For most of us, deciding which pollinators to draw to our garden or landscapes is a matter of preference. But allergies and other safety considerations do come into play when talking about bees. That's why the next Planting for Pollinators episode will show you how to arrange a garden that favors non-bee pollinators.